Today's video we will show how to set up YAML repository in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. First, in our virtual machine you have to confirm that your ISO file is connected with VMware. Then press OK. We have to go File Manager. You can see in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12 file, AppStream, base OS, EFI, images, ISO Linux, etc. Now we will copy all this file. Copy and go to other location, go to computers and go to MNT and paste here. All files we copy and paste here in MNT directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Now go to activities and we will go to terminal. I will make a directory mkdir space /rpms If we want to see this graphically, you can see it's here. You can see now in MNT directory had all files, AppStream, base OS, etc. Now we have to go in terminal, change directory /mnt, ls command. You can see this is by command mode. Now we will copy all these files. Used command cp space capital R space base OS /rpms. We will move copy all base OS file from MNT to rpms directory. It takes few seconds. You also copy AppStream from MNT to RPMS. So used command copy space hyphen capital R AppStream /rpms /. It takes about 20 seconds. When copy completed, we can put another command. I will show you graphically also. In RPMS directory, you can see two folder, AppStream and base OS. Now copy completed. Now we'll change our directory, change directory /rpms ls. You can see now AppStream and base OS in rpms directory. Change directory. We'll go to now .c file, change directory slash access slash em.reposd ls. You can see that is a by default red hat.repo file. Now we will move all our AppStream and basis file from here. So used beam editor, beam appstream.repo. Go to insert mode and write here appstream name appstream repo base URL file clone slash rpm slash appstream enabled 1 and GPG check 0. Escape, clone, save and exit. Now we'll copy appstream file from here to base OS directory. Copy appstream.repo space base os.repo. Now we will go again base OS beam editor beam space base os.repo. Go to insert mode and just edit here appstream to base OS. Just replace here appstream to base OS. Here also appstream to base OS. Now escape, WQ clone, press enter. We are already 80% done. Now we will check. repo list. It shows appstream repo 4820 and base OS repo file 1061. But it's not working properly. We have to do more. We also try to install some package. Yum install httpd. You can see there is some error. We have to read it carefully. We have enabled checking of package by GPG keys. This is a good thing. However, you do not have any GPG public keys installed. You need to download the key for packages you wish to install and install them. So we have to install GPG public key. After that, it's working with 100%. So now we have to change our directory, change directory, clear, we also have to go in our MNT directory. Command cd/mnt. ls, you can see mnt listed file. So used command rpm space hyphen import rpm hyphen jpg key red hat release. It's done. Now we'll test. Yum install stdpd. It's completely installed. All installed in package stdpd. Total size 2M, install size 6M. Is this okay? Yes. So we have completely installed yum repository in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.